Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So a lot of people have been requesting for me to make a foaming scrub, body scrub, especially for tan removal. So after a very long time, today I'm going to be making that for all the viewers who wanted this and requested this video. So we'll quickly start with the making. Now this is going to be a foaming scrub which can be used on the whole body wherever you have a lot of tan. As I always share the basic formulations with y'all which are equally effective, y'all can go ahead, beginners can give it a try. For more advanced formulations like these, y'all can WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp number and join the workshops. We cover all these during the workshops. So we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making. Now here I have both my phases which I have taken, my water phase and my oil phase. Now in my water phase I have taken a little bit of xanthan gum along with water to give a nice spreadability to the scrub. And here I have my oil phase. I have taken a little bit of oil, my emulsifiers, my waxes, and we will be heating both these and making the cream. Here I have my surfactant. Now since this is a foaming scrub, we need surfactants to give that lather. So I have taken some SCI powder and I have taken a little bit of liquid surfactant, cocamidopropyl betaine. So we'll go ahead and heat all these three phases and make our scrub. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases, in fact all the three phases here, my surfactant phase, oil phase and my water phase. And now I'll go ahead and add this water phase into my oil phase. And since I told you all I'm going to be making this specifically for tan removal, so we are going to be making a herbal scrub which is going to be made with Ubtan powder. So this is going to be a Ubtan based body scrub. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended both the phases here and this is how it looks, a beautiful solution here. And now what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and add my surfactant phase in this, and we will just leave it for a while to completely blend in the solution. Okay, so I have gone ahead and left the solution for a while here till it's completely cooled down, and if you all can see the beautiful texture that this has got here, the base of our scrub, it has a lovely shine and texture to it. And now we are going to go ahead and add our other ingredients to this, powdered ingredients. Now as I said, since this is an Ubtan scrub, Ubtan and coffee scrub which is excellent to remove tan, our Ubtan powder has almost 28 different blend of herbs like rose, sandalwood, turmeric, it has papaya enzymes, a lot of ingredients, lemon, orange peel powder, which gives excellent detan effect for the skin. So you get all those benefits with a lovely fragrance with your Ubtan powder. And along with that, if you all can see here, I have already added some coffee bean powder, which particles you can see in the scrub here. So that is again going to add up to the benefit of quick tan removal from your skin. So it's a beautiful blend of herbal ingredients along with coffee for instant removal of tan from the skin. So now I'll go ahead and I'll add my preservative to this here, and we'll give it a mix. And the only final ingredient left to be added here is our sugar, a castor sugar, which is our main ingredient to give that nice lovely scrub effect to our scrub. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed my powdered ingredients and my preservative well in this, and now the final ingredient is our castor sugar. So I'll go ahead and add our weighed out castor sugar to this, and we need to mix this very well till all the castor sugar gets completely incorporated in your base that we have made. So I'll mix all this and show you all how this solution looks. Okay, so after mixing everything, all the ingredients together, the sugar, our powders, our oil, water phase, our surfactants, we have this lovely beautiful mixture here our foaming body scrub. Very, very good to use on the skin, very effective, and I'm sure if you'll try making this and using it, you will stop buying scrubs from outside. This is so exfoliating. It kills all the it removes all the dead skin cells. It gives you a very, very clean and polished feel on your body. So please do give this a try, since I'll be sharing the basic formulation, which, as I said, is equally effective, and for these formulations you all can join my workshops. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I come up with more such videos for you all. Thank you so much, everyone.